What does the future hold for space exploration, particularly the role of cargo landers? As we venture deeper into the cosmos, the significance of cargo landers in our space missions grows more apparent. Imagine these mechanical marvels, bearing large quantities of cargo, descending onto the lunar surface. They're not just vehicles, they are the lifelines that supply the essentials required for lunar expeditions and the potential habitation of the Moon. These landers, being developed by the likes of BlueOrigin and SpaceX, are expected to have a high degree of commonality with their human-rated counterparts. They're designed to deliver between 12 to 15 metric tons of cargo to the Moon, a capacity that opens up a world of possibilities for lunar exploration and beyond. The European Space Agency is also making strides, developing the Argonaut, a cargo lander set to carry about 2 metric tons of cargo. It's a race not of nations, but of ideas and innovations, all converging towards a common goal: to redefine the boundaries of human reach. The future of space exploration is inextricably linked to the development of efficient, reliable cargo landers. The journey started when NASA awarded human landing system contracts to BlueOrigin and SpaceX. This marked a pivotal moment, setting the stage for a new chapter in space exploration. The contracts were awarded as part of an ambitious plan to begin initial design and development work on cargo versions of their lunar landers. The purpose of these contracts? To develop lunar landers capable of carrying large amounts of cargo to the Moon's surface. The preliminary design requirements stipulated that these landers should be able to deliver between 12 to 15 metric tons to the lunar surface. The timelines for these projects are ambitious, yet reflective of the urgency and passion fueling space exploration today. The earliest these cargo landers would be used is on the Artemis 7 mission, projected for the early 2030s. It's worth noting that no specific payloads have been identified yet for the cargo landers. The focus at this stage is on designing and developing the technology to make these deliveries possible. These contracts mark the beginning of a new era in space exploration. An era where our reach extends beyond sending humans to space to establishing a sustainable presence on the Moon, propelled by the ability to transport significant amounts of cargo. Fast forward to today, where are we in the development of cargo landers? The progress being made in the field of lunar cargo landers is remarkable, to say the least. Let's delve into the current status of these lunar behemoths. As we look at the calendar, we find no payloads have been earmarked yet for these lunar cargo landers. The earliest we can anticipate their use is on the Artemis 7 mission, a milestone that's still a few pages turn away in our calendars, somewhere in the early 2030s. These lunar cargo landers are no small feat of engineering. They have the capacity to deliver 12 to 15 metric tons to the lunar surface. That's equivalent to the weight of about 3 African elephants. These landers will play a vital role in carrying large quantities of supplies to the Moon, enabling extended lunar missions and perhaps even permanent lunar bases. But it's not just American companies that are making strides in this field. Across the pond, the European Space Agency, or ESA, is also developing a cargo lander called Argonaut. Although smaller in comparison, Argonaut is expected to carry about 2 metric tons of cargo. That's still a significant payload, opening up intriguing possibilities for international collaboration on lunar missions. It's important to remember that these cargo lander projects are separate from the commercial Lunar Payload Services contracts awarded in 2019. The future of these contracts remains somewhat shrouded in mystery, as it is unclear if either BlueOrigin or SpaceX have placed bids on any of these missions. So where does that leave us? In a place of great anticipation and excitement. The development of cargo landers is a testament to the innovative spirit of space exploration, breathing life into the dream of sustainable lunar missions. We're not just reaching for the stars, we're laying the groundwork to live among them. Let's take a moment to reflect on the key points discussed in this video. We delved into the exciting realm of cargo landers, the workhorses of future lunar missions. These lunar landers are designed to carry hefty cargoes weighing between 12 to 15 metric tons to the lunar surface, a task pivotal for space exploration. We also discussed the significant contracts awarded by NASA to BlueOrigin and SpaceX. These contracts mark the beginning of a new chapter in lunar exploration, as both companies embark on the design and development of these cargo landers. As for the current status, the cargo landers are in their preliminary stages of design. The earliest we can expect their deployment is on the Artemis 7 mission in the early 2030s. It's important to note that these cargo landers are distinct from the commercial lunar payload services contracts awarded back in 2019. As we stand on the brink of a new era in space exploration, it's clear that the future of these missions depends on the success of cargo landers.